Hey everyone, so if you ever lose internet or travel a lot, yeah, you can still use Google Calendar offline. I'll show you how to set it up in 2026. First, open Google Calendar in Chrome and sign in. Now go to Settings and find the Offline section. Turn on Offline Calendar to start syncing your data. If prompted, install the Chrome extension. Now, even without internet, you can still view your events. Offline mode lets you check schedules, but not fully edit everything. When you reconnect, everything syncs automatically. And that's it. Now you know how to use Google Calendar offline like a pro.